A lot of people fail with online businesses because they're guessing the product, guessing the ads, guessing everything. But today I'm going to show you a smarter way to do it by using tools that let you find winning products, verify them, and create ads without starting from scratch. But first, I'm CC, this is Inside Out. So now let me show you some cool tools to help you make some dollars. First one is PPSPY. PPSPY is an ad intelligence platform that helps you find winning ads and trending products by giving you access to a massive library of ads across platforms like TikTok and Facebook. With its ad search feature, you can filter ads by engagement, keywords, and niche to quickly spot what's already working. This makes it easier to identify product ideas based on real performance instead of trial and error. Now, let me show you how to do this. Okay, I'm on PPSPY and I'm putting in the keywords wireless charging. Okay, now I'm going to be drop shipping, so I need to see my competitors and how they're doing it. Okay, so the category is going to be my platform, is going to be Shopify. These are Shopify ads. It's going to be in English and it's going to be in the United States. Okay, so I'm focusing on that. So now I'm looking for a wireless charger because I'm going to be drop shipping wireless chargers, but I want to see what my competitors are doing, how much they spend on ads, everything, scripts, everything. You can do that with PPSPY. Let's check this one out. Joybox. All right.
Oh, you got a new bedside clock? That's nice.
Yeah, I just set it up.
That's awesome. So it's got a stand for your phone?
That's a wireless charger. It stands
What?
there and
Oh,
it
no shit.
charges.
It's got
Yeah.
the emblem on it?
Yep.
I like how they did that ad. That was nice. I like the way they did the back and forth. 79 days on the platform. Shopify, 2.9 million impressions. They sold it. Look at this. They selling it for like $120. They already spent $89,000 in ads, but they made that back and some. Let me tell you, a lot of people shared it. Over 7,000 people liked it. They made their money, okay? They like tripled it. Also, look at the script. Look at the information they included. That's what you need to watch because you want a really good ad, okay? Now look, they also put it on Facebook, okay, to promote it, a video. It's from Shopify. Look how they scheduled their ads. All that information, you can get that from PPSPY. That's awesome. Look how much they're selling it for, $119 on their website also. You buy two, you get a little discount. That's what I want to drop ship with. That's what I want to add. And I'm doing my research before I do it so I can make sure I'm doing it correctly because I'm not trying to waste money and spend a lot of money on advertising and then I don't make no money. That's going to be foolish. Here's their competitors. They got some other type of wireless chargers. That's cute. It's cute. But I like the one that Joybox is selling. That one is like the best one. But that's cute. They got a little clock. They got a little charger for your watch. That's nice. All right. Very nice. But now you know how to put your ad, how many days you should be running your ad, how much money you should be spending on an ad, how much money you should be getting back based on that ad, what platforms you should be putting it on. That's how you know. Okay, now we worked with PPSPY. Now we're about to do PPSPY. PPSPY is a competitive analysis tool designed to help you track top performing products and analyze successful stores. Using the store tracker feature, you can look into competitive stores, monitor product activity, and identify trends that indicate strong demand. This step helps confirm whether a product is actually selling before moving forward. And I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so now we're going to start tracking our competitors. All right, so I put in the link for Joybox. All right, let's check them out. I just showed you Joybox, right? They got that nice charging station, 7-in-1 charging station. They are tracking it. PPSPY is tracking all the information about Joybox and that product because that's the same product I'm about to sell, okay? Drop shipping. That's what we're about to do. Look at the information. Okay, they are tracking monthly visits, about 3,000 visits a month. And they don't even sell that many products. So that's really, really good, okay? And today's information, let's check it out. Okay, they sold 20 products today. 20 products today. You see that, right? All right, so now we already know approximately what they sold in one day so far. The day is not over, but $20 sold, 20 items so far today. Now look at this. This is like almost up to the hours. It's sold per hour. Okay, so now let's see. These are some other competitors. All right, now you can get all this of it. You get that monthly revenue, that monthly sale. This is what you need to know so you know what to do and what not to do. And look at this, okay? Now I put in the store URL, so now I can get an overview of the whole store now, okay? Not just that product, but the whole store. Okay, I see they're definitely selling. Box of Joy selling in Germany. They selling in India, and they selling in the USA, okay? So they selling 3 products in the USA, 5 in Germany, no, 5 in India, and then they have another store, they selling 8 products there. All right, so you can see, oh, they have dot shop. Okay, so they have different, look at this, look how much they selling. Okay, wait a minute, they just sold 20. Now they just sold 29 items. Just in this little bit of time, they sold 9 more items. Okay, so you see up to the minute, up to the hour. Look at this, so they just made 9 more sales. You see what I'm saying? They made 3,000, they had 3,000 visits. They made over $1,400, and the day is not even over. They have 3 products, main products in their store. You see what I'm saying? This is how you check on your competition. Do it correctly. The PPSPY, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, now I showed you how to find winning products, right, with PPAds, and how to look for the competition advertisement, how they do it, right? And I showed you how to find a winning trending product. Now I went to PPSPY and I showed you how to go behind the scenes, how to check out the analytics, how to see what products are selling, how to check out the store tracker, right? Now I'm about to bring you to Nexify. This is the next level, okay? Now Nexify AI is a complete solution for creating ready to publish ad videos using AI. It offers features like talking UGC actors, product in hand visuals, unboxing POV, B-roll, and custom avatars, allowing you to produce professional quality ads without filming. This makes it easy to turn a validated product into a polished ad quickly and efficiently. Now let me show you how to make a real UGC ad. Okay, so now we're on Nexify. We did the PPSPY, we did PPAds, and now we got all the information from Joybox, how to make an ad, how to make it look good, how to advertise. Now we got to make our own UGC ad with Nexify AI. So we're looking for an actor. Okay, that's gonna be my actor, Matthew. Come on, Matthew. Let's see what you can do for me. We're about to do a UGC ad to advertise my new dropshipping product. Okay, we're gonna be using that to advertise that wireless charger. So now I need to add a voice to Matthew. Let's look for a voice. Okay, so now we're gonna click on the little icon so we can hear a voice. Okay, so we're gonna do a voice. Let's listen to different voiceovers.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Finn. I can't wait to work with you in your upcoming projects. Give my voice an ad, and let's see where it takes
Finn,
us.
you're the one. That's the voice I'm looking for. It fits Matthew perfectly. Okay, now we're putting in the script and we're adding a scene, okay? Because we need Matthew to interact with the product, okay? So now let's see how he interacts with this product. Okay. Very nice. Now he's with the actual product. Okay, so now we're adding the script so he'll know what to do with the product. I need him to do like hands, move his hands over. Okay, we're gonna.
It also has a clock, temperature display, and soft lighting, so it helps keep your space neat and looks good
Oh
too.
my goodness! Yes, Matthew. So now we're gonna put in a product. You drop and drag your product in. Remember the product from Joybox? You remember the wireless charger? We're gonna put that in. So now we can have some B-roll. So we put the script in. I love that so far, Matthew. Very, very good. I'm excited. Now I'm gonna add some B-roll to this. So we're gonna use a model. We're gonna use an AI model, Sora 2. We're gonna use Sora 2, and we're gonna add some B-roll so I can fill it in with the UGC ad, okay? Because it can't just be him pointing to the products. We gotta add more to it. Fill it in, okay? Yes, there's my B-roll. Now I'm going to do an unboxing. So I need a background. So we're looking for a template. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing. We're gonna add that to the UGC ad. There is the product right there. We have a background. Let's check this out. You press unboxing. Now we're gonna put everything together. The B-roll, the unboxing. He did that product in the hand demo. Now Matt and Matthew's voice, we're gonna put it all together. Let's check this out. I'm so excited. Here's my new UGC ad.
Say goodbye to messy cords on your nightstand with this 7-in-1 wireless charging station. You can charge your phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all in one place. No more searching for different chargers.
It also has a clock, temperature display, and soft lighting, so it helps keep your space neat and looks good too.
It's an easy way to stay organized and keep all your devices powered up at the same time.
What? Thank you, Matthew. Thank you, Nexify. Got my ad, my UGC ad for my new product. That was awesome. You don't have to figure everything out on your own. With tools like PPSPY, PPSPY, and Nextify, you can go from idea to ad without all the guesswork. I'll link everything down below so you can test it out and see what works for you. Have fun. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you try hustling with amazing tools like PiPiAds, PPSPY, and Nexify AI. And remember, you are amazing. Bye.